Hello, my name is Jeffrey Perota, and I did my presentation on virtual private networks, otherwise known as VPN. So let's start off with what is a VPN. A VPN is an encrypted connection over the internet from a device to a network. It was invented in 1996. Essentially, you will use your device and connect to a VPN server with your credentials and then broadcast to the internet securely. Companies have tons to benefit from the use of a VPN. They receive enhanced security, remote control, they can share files, change your IP address, you get better performance, and you can overall reduce costs. One of the best benefits of using a VPN is that you can access it from literally anywhere, whether you're at work, on your own home personal computer, at a restaurant, or just using a friend's. You can access a private network from just about anywhere. Now let's talk about the cost of a VPN. They are very expensive to implement in large corporations. However, they are relatively cheap when used for single users. VPN is also cheaper compared to alternative solutions. As you can see here, the annual cost for a VPN that supports 1,000 users is roughly $260,800. Also, you can see that the most expensive aspect of supporting a VPN is the need for help desk support. Although expensive to implement, virtual private networks pay for themselves with the money they save businesses. They can save companies money making online purchases, paying for repairs, and because the network being provided is more secure, it is less likely for a business to leak vital information. VPNs save businesses money making purchases due to global dynamic pricing. This means prices fluctuate based on location and time of purchases. Some examples are airfare, hotels, and electricity. VPN anonymity is why companies can save money on purchases. VPNs hide browser history, encrypt data, and changes your IP address when broadcast to the internet. Because your location is hidden, a purchase can't increase in price because the browser cannot determine where the purchase is being made anywhere in the world. Another benefit to VPN is its scalability. VPNs can scale to business needs. This means it can support various geographic sites or even large-sized corporate facilities. There are several different considerations to be made to determine VPN scalability. These include point-to-point tunneling protocol, layer 2 tunneling protocol, Internet Protocol Security Tunnel Mode, and secure socket layer. Point-to-point tunneling protocol is a good protocol for remote access VPNs in terms of scalability. However, it is not as secure as other tunneling protocols. Layer 2 tunneling protocol uses IPsec for encryption, providing strong security which includes certificate-based authentication. This provides data integrity and confidentiality. Internet Protocol Security Tunnel Mode is the only tunneling protocol supported by all major firewall vendors, which makes it scalable for site-to-site VPNs. Secure Socket Layer is the most scalable VPN protocol that uses the web browser as the client and an excellent solution if users only need access to web-enabled servers. You also don't need to spend money or install client software because the web browser is the client. VPN also pairs well with virtual machines. Virtual machines are perfect for training purposes. They also have safer environments, so they help prevent irreparable damage. This is also a great method for learning new applications, and VPNs can also be accessed through virtual machines, allowing another layer of protection. This is an example of a virtual machine. The Windows computer is able to connect to a virtual machine running the Linux Mint operating system. There are many different types of virtual machine software. These include Oracle VM, Hyper-V, KVM, Windows Virtual PC, and VMware Fusion. These are some of the logos of popular virtual machine software that you may have seen at one point or another. Virtual applications are also a huge benefit of virtual machines. With virtual applications, you can access applications that are not installed on your own personal computer. Companies can save money manually purchasing applications to install on many different computers. All you need to do is log into a virtual machine environment that has the application you need, and then you are good to go. VPNs and virtual machines have increased in use significantly since the signing and implementation of the Anti-Privacy Bill. The Anti-Privacy Bill allows internet service providers to share and sell browser information to third parties without the consent of the user. Because of the security VPNs provide due to the changing of your own IP address to a different public address, internet service providers cannot access user browser history. This keeps your information secure and promotes an internet future that is free of restrictions. VPNs have also grown in popularity due to the increase of mobile technology. The increase of mobile technology in the workplace brought about new policies such as work-issued devices and the use of your own personal device. These devices have full access to VPNs so that company networks can be accessed anytime from anywhere. Of course, work-issued devices need to be returned on termination. However, personal devices may be at risk to be completely wiped when the user leaves the company. That way, the business can maintain its own security. There are several different options to choose from pertaining to VPNs on mobile devices. The VPNs are multi-platform, so they can be accessed by both Android and Apple products. These applications can be downloaded in Google Play and the Apple App Store. Some of the more popular mobile VPNs are NordVPN, CyberGhost, MobileIron, and SaferVPN. The main difference between a mobile VPN and a standard VPN is that mobile VPNs need to be optimized for the problems involved with mobile devices. Mobile devices have coverage gaps, inter-network roaming, bandwidth, battery life, limited memory, and processing power problems. These issues can easily affect how a VPN can work effectively. These are some of the logos of the more popular mobile VPNs. I personally have used MobileIron for my current job, and it is a great way to access my job information securely from anywhere that I go. Overall, I believe that VPNs should be used by any company that can afford to implement them. The savings they provide far outweigh the costs, and every company can benefit from them in a number of ways. I look forward to the future that VPNs have to offer. This is a list of references I used when creating this presentation, and if you would like to do your own research for what a VPN can do for you, feel free to check the links provided. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.